Hi everyone, welcome back to another class of pronunciation in use level intermediate, unit 17. Today's topic is the TH sound and how to pronounce it. I think a lot of people know it, but let's go into more details now. Let me first get this right. Yes. It says the consonant sound and the. So we have two sounds, f and the. Now, where do you see th? You see this sound in words like, think. This is an example where this sound is present. So this part you see. Another example for that one is, for example, this very simple example. I would give you a simple example. Yeah. So the first one, I pronounce it like think. The second one, I pronounce it like this. Okay. Yes, good example. Hakim, good example. Hi Akram, welcome. Hi everyone, welcome to the live if you are just joining. So anyway, think and this. But teacher, how do we pronounce it? It's really easy. Let me show you the pronunciation. I should show you a picture. Look at this picture. Exactly. This is how you should pronounce this sound. Where is it? Yeah, here. This is how you should pronounce th. So I say, I put my tongue between my teeth so the person that I'm speaking to can see my tongue, actually. And then I push out the air. Now, the other one is this one. Again, I put my tongue here, but I add vibration. So this time, instead of sounding like it sounds like so I'm just adding vibration to the very same sound. Without vibration, now I want to add it. Now I feel vibration in my throat. Here you can see that too in the book. Let me play that for you. A80. A80.
A80. A. F. 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 A80B. A80C. Sick, thick, sick. Boat, both, boat. Free, three, free.
So the target words are in the middle. These are the words. Thick, both, and three. And we are contrasting th with te. Look at the te sound too. This is both, but this is both. Again, both. So look at that contrast as well. This is free, but the one in the middle is three. Your tongue, when you say free, I don't see your tongue. But when you say the one here in the middle, I see your tongue. When you say three, Like I have 3 books, I have 3 classes. I see your tongue. That's the difference actually. Now look at some more words.
AATD.
Thank, think, thought, healthy, birthday, maths, earth, length, fourth.
And because this book is British, you see that it says maths. In American you don't say maths. There's no S actually. So in American you just say math. There's no S. So this book is British. That's why you see that. Now let's go to the TH that is voiced. The. Now listen to these.
Martha Smith's an author and an athlete.
There was a tongue twister here. Martha Smith is an author and an athlete. See, there's a lot of TH in here. Martha Smith's an author and an athlete. So that would help you if you repeat it several times.
A80. A. A81. A. A81. B.
Breed, breathe, breed. Den, then, den. Van, than, van.
A81. C. These. Though. They. Other. Weather. Clothes. Breathe. With. Sunbathe.
All of them, the voice TH, you can hear them. All of them has the sound, there's vibration going on in the throat, and your tongue is out. You're saying the. Let's go to the tongue twister here. I'm going to read it first. It says, my father and mother, so 2 TH. Father, mother. My father and mother live together with my other brother. Okay, let's see if you can say it fast. So I'll try to say it faster. My father and mother live together with my other brother. Oh, my father and mother live together with my other brother. If you practice saying it faster, your tongue will be more familiar with the position and how to create this sound. So that would help your TH pronunciation so much. Yes, the voice TH. The next part, it says some other speakers might not say TH. Like sometimes you don't hear th, you hear de. Like for example, Nigerian speakers don't say then, they say den, like de sound, daughter, like this. So there's some variation, but basically the standard pronunciation is th and the. And here it says you see them in these words. Then, it's the TH form. 3, the TH that is unvoiced. There's also an important point here. Sometimes TH is pronounced like te. So sometimes TH is pronounced like te in some names. Like what? Like this. Here you see TH, but you don't say the, you say te. Thailand. Or here you see TH, but you don't say th. I mean, you don't pronounce it like it. What do you say? You say Thomas. Thomas. Thailand. So remember, sometimes th, this is very rare, but it happens. Th in a name of a person or a name of a place, it's exactly like te. Now let's go to the practice part. Oh, here I'm going to take a look at the chats, and you should tell me how I should move. I want to move in a way to get all the unvoiced th, the ones that are like this, unvoiced th. It means I am not looking for this, they, then, than. I'm looking for thank, think, thought, math, unvoiced. So let's try to go. We want to start here and end at the corner bottom under right. So let me start. We start with north. So I'm going to color this. After that, where should I go? What is the next word with the th sound? You can type the word. Hakim says, Rosita says south. Hakim, south. Yes, south. South is the next one. Teacher, why not northern? Well, because northern is not the unvoiced th. It is the voiced th. It's like this. Northern. But south is the real unvoiced. Yes. After that, both. We don't have both. Bath, yes. Southern is not right, yes, because it's not unvoiced. The next one is bath. Okay. What about after that? Both, maybe you don't see that well. Maybe the internet is bad, but it's bath. Take a bath. Take a shower. Hakim says V versus UV. I don't know what you mean. So maybe you can explain it. Mariam says third. Where is third? Yes. After that, we should go to third. Why not this one? Because that's bathe. That's the verb form. And that's the. Like breath, breathe. Bath, bathe. Bathe is a verb. It means to wash. For example, she bathed her little baby. She bathed her baby. To washed the baby. I can't see very well. Oh, okay. What's next? Cloth. Yes, cloth. You use the cloth to make clothes. Good. So cloth is the next one. What's up next? For example, this is not right because we say Thailand. Thailand is not Thailand, it's Thailand. But we're looking for th. Hakim says, I mean the abbreviation form for voiced TA versus unvoiced. Oh, okay. Yes. Good. Path is the next one. Complete TH, the th unvoiced. Path. Now you have 3 words around. These, fifth, there. Let's see how close we are. Oh, we're almost half the way through. Hi Fatima, Artworks is here. Nice to have you here. Rosita's is 5th. Hakim's is 5th. Yes, you are right, exactly. We have 5th here. 5th. Because these and there, they're all voiced. Oh, we're getting to where we should get. Just a few more. What do you think? We're looking for the th sound. Somebody said I can't see the screen very well, so what about others? Can you see the screen okay? Hi Ustad Hushang, welcome to the live. Great to see you here. Rahima says thought. Exactly. The next one is thought, but we can't jump to thought. So there is another one we should find. Through, good Fatima. Through is the next one. So you might say, why not, for example, the one on the right? Because this is not so, this is though. There is vibration in your throat when you say though. I don't want that. I want the ones that are unvoiced, no vibration. 5th, through, thought. 5th, through, thought. Okay, the screen is okay. So maybe it's your internet, Farah, I think. Maybe it's your internet if you don't see that okay. What is after that? Thought, yes. Afterthought. You have 3 options. You can go left. You get to bathe, which we don't want, of course. You have the one on the top, weather, and you have the one on the right, breath. Good, Mariam. Breath. That's unvoiced. TH. Now again you have 3 options. Breathe, youth, though. Fatima says though, thoughts, breath, youth. Okay. So she went as far as youth. Right. Because youth, again, it's youth. You can't see the right side clearly. What about after youth? You can go top, go to this one, those, or you can go downward to thumb. Good Rahime, good Maria. Thumb. Thumb is the next TH that is unvoiced. And then all the way down you should go. So, because you've done so well so far, I'm just going to give you the answer. All the way down. Thumb, worth, teeth, wealth. Good. Exactly. So we started from here: north, south, bath, third, cloth, path, fifth, through, thought, breath, youth, thumb, worth, teeth, wealth. All the th that are envoys. Good. It was a nice game. If you have questions, you can ask. Let's go to the next part. Oh, the next part is a poem, I think. So you should write the ones that match. For example, Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another. Brother, another. So two words are used here: brother and another. This Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another. It means he was okay with one brother, he didn't want any other brother. Now we should continue this kind of poem. Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another. And of the brothers wanted sisters. Hi, Dr. Shireen, welcome. Let me see. We can also listen if we can't do that. But I think we can do that. It shouldn't be hard. Mothers? No, I don't think so. And of the brothers' mothers? No. So maybe we can say, and of the brothers neither. Maybe we can say this: neither wanted sisters either. That's a good way to say it, I think. I mean, it's meaningless, but it says this is the meaning. Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another. And of the brothers neither wanted sisters either. It means neither of the brothers wanted sisters. They didn't. It means the brothers didn't want sisters. They didn't want brothers. They didn't want sisters. Yeah. Earth, no. I think Fatima is right. We should play the audio now. It's better and easier. We don't have to do, but that's what I thought. Let's listen.
A82.
Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another, and of the brothers neither wanted. Arthur had a brother and he didn't want another, and of the brothers neither wanted sisters either.
So this is British, that's why it says neither and either. But even Americans sometimes say neither and either. Both are okay, neither or neither, either or either. The last thing on this earth, good, I think earth is good, yeah. The last thing on this earth, somebody said earth, they wanted was a, yes, he has one brother, but he doesn't want another brother. Birth, good Maria. I think birth makes sense. The last thing they wanted was a birth. They didn't want a birth. They didn't want a brother. They didn't want a sister. Let's check our answer.
The last thing on this earth they wanted was a birth.
Yes, the last thing on this earth they wanted was a birth. So let me cross them out. Earth, birth, either, neither. So Arthur's mother got them both together, I think. Get people together, it makes sense. Together. Of the brothers, for example, we say neither of the boys. For example, we have two boys and I say neither of the boys like pizza. It means boy number 1 doesn't like pizza. Boy number 2 doesn't like pizza. So neither of the boys like pizza. Now because this is a poem, they change the order. It says, and of the brothers, neither wanted a sister. It means neither of the brothers wanted sisters. It's just changing the order because it's a poem. They want to make it sound nice. Heather, yes, Heather will go with that, but I don't know what it means. But yes, it goes well with together. Let's check.
Wanted sisters either. The last thing on this earth they wanted was a birth. So Arthur's mother Heather got them both together and told them all good.
Yes, Arthur and his brother. Arthur is boy number 1. Arthur's brother is boy number 2. Neither of them wanted a sister. Neither of them. Or of them, neither wanted sisters. It's a poem. Brothers, yes, all that's left is brothers and mothers. Good brothers should learn to share their mother. Okay, I don't know. Brothers should share the mothers. Share their mothers. Because they have no sister. There is no sister, just brothers. So it says they should share their mothers. I think. Mothers? Why mothers? How many mothers? I don't know what this is actually.
Was a birth. So Arthur's mother Heather got them both together and told them all good brothers should learn to share their mothers.
Aha, all good brothers should learn to share their mothers. Now here the mother is talking about all the brothers in the world. All good brothers in the world should learn to share their mothers in the world. So this is a general sentence. That's why it says mothers. So that was a nice poem. I hope you enjoyed it, which I don't think you did. But let's listen for the last time too.
Arthur had a brother, and he didn't want another, and of the brothers neither wanted sisters either. The last thing on this earth they wanted was a birth. So Arthur's mother Heather got them both together and told them all good brothers should learn to share their mothers.
Yes, good, Hakim. Let's go to the next part. Here there are some mistakes you should tell me. We don't say it is 3 o'clock. We say it's 3 o'clock. So that's a mispronunciation. 3, no, 3. Okay, number 1. What's the problem? A bath is more relaxing than a shower. What? A bath is more relaxing than a shower? A bath is a kind of animal. How is it more relaxing than a shower? So it's not bath, it's another word. What do you think? What do you think? Exactly. Bath. And somebody said through. Exactly. Through, no, through. Yes. The train went through the tunnel. Not through the tunnel. Through the tunnel. Yes, good. Thin, yeah, exactly. Thin, not fin. It's thin. What do you think about number 4? You need a sick coat in winter? Sick coat? Sick coat doesn't make sense. Good, Hakim. Thick coat. Thick coat. Number 5. I don't know. I haven't thought about it. That's not right. You don't say I haven't thought about it. You should say I haven't. Bahar says thin. Yes, thin is number 3, Bahar. Good. Death? What is death, Rosita? Tick? Farah? No. Farah, tick no. What is tick? Aha, maybe Farah meant thick. Good, Farah. TH. Thick. Death, number 6. Aha, you're talking about number 6. Good. It's a matter of life and death. Life and death. I am thought. No. Bahar, good. Exactly. TH. Thought. I don't know. I haven't thought about it. It means I didn't think about it. I haven't thought about it. Or I didn't think about it. Hi Angel, welcome. No problem, Farah. It's great to see you here. Alright, cool. Now we will go to the last part of this book. I mean the last part of this lesson. Listen and tell me, what do you hear? Do you hear youth or do you hear use? Listen.
A83. 1. Youth or use.
There's no use talking about that. There's no use talking about that.
Use.
There's no use talking about that.
Use.
There's no use talking about that.
So is it A or is it B? I call the first one A and the second one B. So you can easily just type. Rosetta says use, Mariam says use. Yeah, I also heard use, but I don't know. I can't trust my ears. I have to check at the end. But I think I heard use. Yeah, many people say B and use. Good.
2. Thought or taught.
I don't know what she taught.
Or taught.
I don't know what she taught.
Or taught.
I don't know what she taught.
Good, Hakim, Farah. Exactly. I don't know what she taught. It's the past form of teach. I don't really know what she taught. I don't remember. I don't remember what she taught. I don't remember what the teacher taught. So yes, good. It's B. Mariam, good.
3. Free or 3.
Oh my god, this is really hard because I have to see the person. I want to see if the tongue comes out. If it doesn't come out, it's free, the first one. If it comes out, it's 3, the second one. But there's no one to look at, so just listen.
or 3. 3. 3 or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
4 or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
3 or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
3. 3 or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
or 3.
Free refills with each packet.
Really hard. I have no idea. I have no idea. You help me out. A. Many people say A, so I will write A. But we have to check it.
4. Closed or clothed.
They weren't fully clothed.
Closed or clothed.
They weren't fully clothed.
5. 4. Closed or clothed.
They weren't fully clothed.
5. 4. Closed or clothed.
They weren't fully clothed.
Closed or clothed.
They weren't fully clothed.
Yeah, I also heard B. I didn't hear Z. I heard the. Clothed.
5. Breeding or breathing.
This is not hard because one of them is breeding, one of them is breathing. Breeding, breathing.
They've stopped breeding.
or breathing.
They've stopped breeding.
Breeding or breathing.
They've stopped breeding.
6. 5. Breeding or breathing.
They've stopped breeding.
Breeding or breathing.
They've stopped breeding.
Yeah, I also heard the, breeding. Yes, number 6.
6. Visa or visa.
These are problems we can deal with later.
It says these are or visa. These are or visa.
They've stopped breeding.
6. Visa or visa.
These are problems we can deal with later. They've stopped breeding.
6. Visa or visa.
These are problems we can deal with later.
Yeah, I think it says these are. I'm not sure. Visa? Are you sure?
They've stopped breeding.
6. Visa or visa.
These are problems we can deal with later.
I think it says these are. It doesn't really matter, but that's what I think. But let's go and check it. Maybe you're right. Because I can't hear well. My laptop is not here. My laptop is actually down there. I put the hands-free there. But I hear these are. But we can go and check now. I don't remember. Let's go. 17. So use, you were right. Taught, you were right. Free, you were right. Clothed, you were right. Breeding, you were right. This last one is these are. Some people said visa. Doesn't say visa, it says these are. Yes, Also, grammatically, it's not good to say visa problems we can deal with. You know, it's not a good structure. But anyway, you can listen again.
They've stopped breeding.
6. Visa or visa.
These are problems we can deal with later.
Yes, this is the end of this lesson. Thank you for listening to me. I'll share this video on my Telegram now.